Hello students, welcome to VZ. Easy presents NCERT Solution for class 12th, and today we'll be discussing chapter number 10. Chapter 10 is microbes in human welfare. Okay, so in this session we are going to do two things. One, we're going to discuss how you're supposed to write an answer, and two, the explanation of a specific answer. Okay students, so let's start with question number 1. Wow, it's a big question. Okay, so question 1 over here says, bacteria cannot be seen with naked eyes. Okay, but these can be seen with the help of microscope. Okay, if you have to carry a sample from your home to your biology lab, to demonstrate the presence of microbes under a microscope, which sample would you carry and why? Okay, so this can be anything, but you're supposed to write over here which makes sense and the terms of where you'll be able to see most amount of the microbes. So microbes are tiny little particles which are present all around us, but we cannot see them. We can see them with the help of what? Microscope. Now, the example over here we'll take is of curd. Now, curd has this microbe known as lactobacillus, and they are in abundant amount. And curd is a staple diet of India. Everybody, every house will have some of these other amounts of curd. So, curd can be the best example to be taken to the laboratory. Why? Demonstrate the presence of microbes. Why? Because curd contains millions of lactic acid bacteria, LAB, which can be seen under microscope. This LAB, lactic acid bacteria, are also known as lactobacilli, and they are found in abundance. Like if you put one drop of curd, you will see many such small bacteria inside it. So curd is your best example. Okay students, so we are taking curd. Why? Because we can see millions of bacteria, and third, we know the name of bacteria, and therefore we are taking curd as our sample. So students, this is your answer number 1.